Are you new to sewing? The Brother A16 is one of the best beginner-friendly machines out there. Easy to use, reliable, and packed with just the right features to help you get started. One standout feature, semi-automatic needle threading, goodbye frustration, hello smooth sewing. Let's dive in and see what else makes this machine a great choice. The Brother A16 has a top-loading bobbin, which is easy to insert here. The machine has great instructions printed on the machine to help you with the top threading. It's pretty straightforward and similar to most other sewing machines. And your thread tension is adjustable by the top dial here. This is where the Brother A16 stands apart from other machines. By putting the thread through this guide and clamp and just pressing the lever on the side, your thread will go through the needle automatically. On the front of the Brother A16, we have the stop-start button for sewing without the foot control. We have the reverse button, lock stitch button, needle position button. The machine also has adjustable speed, which is controlled by the slider here. Changing the stitch is easy with the large knob on the front. Just rotate to the stitch you'd like to sew. The Brother A16 also has a one-step buttonhole feature, which simplifies stitching buttons down to a single button press. The stitch length and stitch width is adjustable with the buttons next to the screen here. To turn on or off the automatic locking feature at the beginning of your sewing, you can press this button on the right. The Brother A16 comes with a variety of feet included: zipper foot, one-step buttonhole foot, button foot, blind stitch foot, and the overcast foot. The Brother A16 is a solid pick for beginners, combining ease of use with smooth, reliable stitching. With features like effortless needle threading and a simple, intuitive design, it makes learning to sew a breeze. If you're after a machine that won't hold you back, this one is definitely worth considering. If you found this video useful, please like the video and consider subscribing to our channel.